Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Srudam Sarvabhutana, I am the only well-wishing friend of all living entities. Do you understand? He is such a friend. You have friend here, isn't it? Zimbabwe? Huh? You have no friends? Huh?
He has lots of friends.
Yeah. You have lots of friends in Zimbabwe. Who is very intimate friend? Huh? Who is your very intimate friend?
Krishna.
I don't know, here in Zimbabwe. Huh?
Everyone is...
Not everyone intimate, Baba. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 means very intimate, isn't it? Huh? But these friends, you see, they may forsake you, isn't it? Desert you. And they have been doing also, isn't it? You may find that they are friends today, tomorrow they have turned enemy. Is not taking place here? Huh? Huh? Jagat Guru Das is taking place here. Kale mitra kale opor. Today friend, tomorrow enemy, isn't it? Because this friendship is based on giving and taking business, isn't it? Giving and taking business. Your friend expects something from you that you have to give him. And you expect something from your friend that he will give you, you will take from him. Isn't it? This material world, all this relationship, friendship, relationship, based on this giving and taking business. Some little discrepancy is there. This giving, taking business, friendship is cut off. Isn't it? The friend turns into enemy. Even father and son. Father and son relationship. There is enmity. Yes. Do you understand?